to my X journey. So it's Mrs. White again, and today obviously I'm doing a little unboxing. And if you're new to this channel talks about all things Hermès, and of course occasionally I'll talk about other luxury brands. So if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please consider to subscribe just to support my channels, so that I can create more contents for you guys. I do talk about, some strategies, some shopping flash, just to give you guys more ideas on, what Hermès offer, and hopefully it will help you guys to get your dream bag or dream items, because, a lot of things at Hermès are pretty hard to get right now. So without further ado, let me just start off with this item on the side. Okay, so let me just unbox it, and I'll just let you guys know, if you follow me on my Instagram, I actually just came back from another business trip, and actually when I got off the plane, I went straight to the Hermès boutique. So, okay, so let's open it. So, this is an item that I've been kind of debating on. And actually when I asked my SA around Wednesday, he said he doesn't have this particular colors. He had the item, but just not in this color. And then I guess it was my day. Ta-da! This is the Tarmac. I might not be saying it right, but the Tarmac passport holder, because I've been looking for a new passport holder, and I did want it to go on. So you see this is Epsom leather, and inside it's a raw leather material. And let me show you guys the back. Here's the stamp of Hermès. As you can see, the stamp, this is just a hot stamp that just embossed on the leather. There is no gold or silver layer on it. Okay, so I'm so excited. So let me just put in my passport. So now I'm gonna put in my passport. And then this is Epsom leather, remember? So this is really stiff, and it's my first time, really using it. So this is how they would look like. I think it's cool. I like it. Okay, so the reason why I wanted a new passport holder, because my current pass holder, yes, it might seem okay because you can just open it, you can stuff things on the side and put cards there. But as I go with it, I'm like, oh, every time I see immigration, I have to take out the passport. So I'm like, maybe this one, it's good, because I can just open the button and then just take it out. I think it's a lot faster that way, because a lot of time you just got off the plane and you gotta, you gotta tidy up a little bit, and then oh, my passport, and then now I have to take it out. I feel like it's a little bit clumsy sometimes. So I see Hermès have this one, then I will try it out, because in the past I was iffy about the style, but now I think, this will probably help me a lot to do the things even faster. So anyway, so this is my first item that I got yesterday. So now let's open this, another small item. And this item's actually, I just saw it on the day of, and I was trying different. So let's just open it. Yep, this is a piece of jewelry, and I can tell you this is the fashion jewelry. And this is the 3 grays with the Charnier hardware here, because you actually push it up and then you open it. Okay, this is how it looks like. And let me show you on the side. I told you guys this is 3 grays, so then you see there's giraffe. I love giraffe. So I was actually looking at another styles that they have. Now they have the H buckles or the Shandong buckles, but I didn't like the print. My SA actually recommended not to get this one anymore. This one is actually discontinuing this buckle, because my SA told me when people wear it with other jewelries on the same arm, they, like, if your another jewelry hit this, it will actually wide open. So I think that's probably the reason why they decided to discontinue it and then change the style of the buckles. But I found out to avoid it, actually, I would wear this either first or last. So let's say if I am wear this, you know, last, which means if I wear it on this hand, since now I already have a bracelet, it will be in the front. So because the button here, it's only one side has the button. So then I will just make sure the button is on top, like where it's facing doesn't have anything before it, just to try it out. So let me just put it on and show you guys how it will look. If I wear this last, the button should face towards your hands, not towards you. So you see, I have nothing in the front anymore, so that nothing will hit. Okay, so let's say I'm putting this on first, and then I'm gonna put other stuff, like other bracelet or something. So then I will do the other way around. Okay, so the button now is towards you, and then the other side is towards the hand. Okay, I hope this is a little tips for you guys. I don't know if you experience, I don't know if you have this bracelet and then you hit it and it actually wide open. I mean, if you do, I mean, please comment below and let me know and let the community know, just to be aware of, you know, when they, how this Chanel buckles, you know, do you enjoy it? Like, did it really open? You know, feel free to comment below and let us know. And yeah, be great. So yeah, also comment below or hit the like button if you like this bracelet on me, because I tried so many and I really like the H buckle, but unfortunately just don't have the prints that I wanted. But this one I think will go really well with my black Birkin. I think this one will match really well with my black Birkin 30 with palladium hardware. So because this is black and white with palladium. Agree? And by the way, just so you're aware, I am wearing this in PM size. I can wear both. I can wear the GM and the PM size, but my essay recommended, like, depending how loose you want. If you don't want it to move too much, at least for me, the PM size will work. The GM size will be, you know, if you want a little loosen and stuff like that. But since I might be wearing with watch or something, then I rather too much to avoid, like not to have too much movement, to avoid the button would open accidentally by hitting others, just in case I'm not wearing as I instructed. Also, for you to have an idea what size this GM size is, you know, before you request your essay. When I wear the GM size, yes, it's a little loose and it's actually go up to here. So it's quite a size different, I would say. So it's up to you. I mean, if you don't think it's gonna drop, you don't think the hardware is gonna open, I think either or would work. But then with me, it really depends on, you know, I might be wearing something else with it together, so I rather to be a little tighter, and my essay also recommend it. So this is last but not least, I got another item for my essay that it just so happened that, you know, he has it. So, and this is like the last one, the only one they have left. Okay. I don't know what you guys would think this is. I would say it's great for traveling. Okay. Okay. Ta-da! Yes. This is the Bridal Brag pouch. So this is the Bridal Brag Fenty case. Yeah, I know people call it Fenty case, but I like to call it a little pouch because I might just put, you know, all my vanity in there, but then it looks like a pouch that I can go anywhere. Anyway, so this is like a, so this vanity case, this is obviously this is in blue. It's, I think it's a marine color. They didn't really specify it. And then there's a green, like an outline on the straps. It's actually really nice with palladium hardware. And this is, I think, a little darker blue, close to navy, I will say. So with the zipper here, it's leather. Very interesting, right? I think it's interesting. Okay, so let's open it. Just want to show you guys how this. So this is inside. So this is canvas inside. When I see the color, I'm like, it's like a art dust bag. So there's a pocket here, and then there's a tag with Hermès logo. And there's another pocket here. Oh, there's two pockets at the back. Yeah, I haven't opened it until I want to unbox with you guys, okay? And then you see this little H. Okay, and here's the bottom. Yep, the strap basically can go all the way around. Okay, so obviously this is the GM size, and they do have a PM size. I saw it, but they were reserved for someone else. But actually, I do prefer the GM size. But I think my essays are pretty surprised that I want a GM size, but I think it's more practical that way. So I can put a lot more stuff, especially when I do business travel or vacation, you know, like sometimes you think you're not packing a lot of stuff, but at the end of the day, you need more pouches. So this big one will be very, very useful. So you see here, like here's like a snap button. There's like 1, 2, 3, okay? But you only see there's one, it's snap in. So there's two ways of using it. So basically, if you go across with this button, with this snap button, it will just be like this. So it looks like a little bag, right? So if I take it out and I want to snap to this button, it will just look like that. I think it depending on like how you want to carry it. For me, I think if I am packing this into my luggage, I think I will rather possibly do it this way, because then I have space here to put stuff. Okay, that would be my way of using it. But if I need to carry this out, like I'm going to the beach or something, then I rather do the other way, so then I can actually handheld it on my hand. I think that's better, right? Please comment below, let me know if you have this one or you're currently using it, which way you use the most or why. Okay, so I am very, very excited for this bag for my upcoming Vegas trip. Yes, it's coming up next month in July 2022, in case you're watching, you know, another year or whatever. But I'll definitely be using this, and I will film for you guys and see and show you like what I'm gonna put inside, and probably do a little vlog for you. Of course, I am going to visit Hermès store, so I will do another shopping vlog for you guys. So if you have not yet subscribed to my channels, please consider to subscribe and hit the bell notification so that you won't miss any of my future videos, especially about Hermès, right? So, and you know, to really like support my channel so that I can create more contents for you guys. Yeah. So let me talk about the pricing for all the items that I got yesterday. So for the passport holder, it's $240 as of 2022. And yeah, Mr. Y was teasing me about like, why you're spending $240 on a passport holder where 10 years ago it was only $160. Well, 10 years ago I was not shopping at Hermès, so I didn't care. You know, I care less with what he say, okay? Right? Sometimes husband, you know, you don't want to listen too much. Anyhow, so with the bracelets here, with a 3 grays Chanel, so with my bracelet, this one is $660. With a Vital Breath Vanity case, this is $610. this is probably the lowest price at Hermes as a bag that you can possibly use. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's videos, and like I said, if you do, please don't forget to hit the like button, and then if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please consider to subscribe and hit the bell notification so then you won't miss any of my future videos. So feel free to follow me on my Instagram at Mrs. Y X Journey. Okay, it's a little different than my channel because I figure someone already has my channel name on Instagram. So and I'm Mrs. Y, so I'm like, perfect. So my IG is actually Mrs. Y X Journey. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.